folks, so we have this section in some of our pages here, some of our templates. We have the black top template here. And what we have here is a mug and keyboard background. Here's sort of an example of what you'd see. So if you see a mug and a keyboard or some sort of a background image under the Great New Features section, we'll just show you how to update that. Let's just pop back into Expression Web here. I've got my index page open. Okay, and really what we have here is we have this section called Features, and we're doing this in code. If you did it in the design view, it would just look like this here. Kind of like this section here, Great New Features. You're not going to see it in the design view. It's a animated image in the back, but here's really how it works. In our site and our styles, our themed images and our backgrounds right here, what we're going to be doing is loading in one of these background images right here. And the section BG, background transition APNG. A little bit of a mouthful there. But these images, that image right there is actually the one that is being sort of scrubbed up. So if you wanted to replace it, this image happens to be 1231 by 900, and in that size, right? So you just basically need to create a PNG, your own PNG, or it could even be a JPEG image, and you can basically just rename it using this here. But a better way to do this would probably be going into your theme.css here. Let's just find a section in here that would actually have that. Sorry, I just had to pause the video there for a second. So what we're looking at here, we have a div container right here. The class is features-bg1. So really, when you see that background image, you can flip it over to the code view just quickly and look for there's the section class that's always going to be the opening tag, and then below that, if you see something like this where it says div class and then wow slide up in, and we hide them on small and phone and on tablets. We don't want to have the extra processor power. Anyways, long story short, features background class. So what we can now do is we can just copy that, and I'm just going to go to my theme.css, just do a quick Control F and see if I can find next. Nothing there. So what we're going to do after that is we're going to go to the Pages folder. Right, and we're going to look and see. I'm going to show you a little trick here. If you're ever trying to find a special class that's associated with just a certain page, like that's only associated, that particular animation is only associated with the index.htm page, right, or the index pages. So we're going to look here, sort of scroll on down, and under our current page CSS, we have the site styles pages, the index CSS. It's just a quick reference as to what style sheet any special animations or functions may be stored in. In this case, it's the index.css. We're going to open the site styles pages and then the index CSS. And now we're going to look for that features. We're just going to scroll on down, and there it is, features background right here. So why am I talking about all this? Because right here is the background image, and you can replace this image here with anything else you want. So I would suggest you put it in the themed images folder, in the backgrounds folder, but whatever image you want to use, you can just change the name of the image right here and a link to that image if you want to do that.